Hello everyone, today we will introduce 5 Python self-study websites. Python is a widely used programming language compared to other languages, such as Java, Perl, PHP and Ruby. Python is a simple and easy-to-learn open-source language with its own syntax. 1. Learn code the hard way. Learn code the hard way is an introduction to the most popular Python programming language. No coding experience required. This is an open-source free tutorial that includes courses from zero base to advanced level. We give you the opportunity to test and put into practice what you have learned. Reviewers and professional programmers are available online. 2. Python Spot. If you're looking for Python-focused tutorials and resources, Python Spot is for you. We provide free tutorials and great content on the Python programming language for beginners and expert developers. Of course, the content is organized according to the difficulty level. 3. Coursera. Like other tutorial sites, Coursera offers free online tutorials in multiple programming languages. You can easily learn the Python programming language using this platform. You can also display subtitles for the video if you want. It includes Korean, Chinese, Spanish, German and more. 4. NewCircle Python. NewCircle, like other programming tutorials, is an online platform for beginners and professional programmers to learn the Python programming language. You can watch some video tutorials on the website to help you understand the concepts better. A Python Fundamentals training series for beginners is also available. 5. Tutorials Point. Tutorials Point is one of the best online tutorials that provide free, high-quality content for learning the Python programming language. Here you can test your own learning effectiveness with multiple exercises and different coding options. In addition to basic Python concepts, it includes advanced Python content such as database access, CGI, game programming, XML processing, networking, and more. That's all for today. Thank you.